Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix your must connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile data network to access the App Store in iOS 14.4. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn on turn off airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, turn on airplane mode, then wait for few seconds and turn off it. Tip number 2. Erase all content and setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Reset. On the Reset page, tap Erase all content and setting. Again tap on Raise iPhone in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. Journal page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on your iPhone. Tip number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XS Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.